everyone, welcome back to my new vlog of It Bibs. For today's video is we're gonna be learning Italian language and using this card we have here. I have a lot of card over here, and this card is for my baby. So every time I'm doing quality time with my baby, I'm always give this one to my baby, and he can learn also in Italiano. So which is me also. I learn Italiano. And then sometimes I forgetting what to say, how to say in Italian. So in Italian language, if you say how to say, so means come si dice in Italiano. What is this in Italiano, no? How to say in Italiano. Okay, let's start it. Before I'm started, please don't forget to like and share and subscribe my YouTube channel of this video below. But let me write it down. If you comment this video, please write it down, because I wanted to learn if I am correct pronunciation in Italiano. So it started over here, but this one I'm gonna be speaking Italiano, and yeah, let's see if I'm correct. So let's start it here. This one is balina in Italiano. Charang. And this one is, I always forget this one at the first when I teaching my baby. So I always keep asking my husband. So this one is, in Italiano guys, is mongolfiera. Mongolfiera. Then we have a tromba. Tromba. And then we have suco. Suco. We have panda. Then we have also chocolato. Chocolate. Chocolato. We have Occhilino. Occhilino. We have Aereo. We have Milansana. This is a Milansana. And we have again Aereo. And then we have Papirilla. Ayan. We have also Orsa Cute. And we have La Basca. Then we have also Siria here. We have also Patatini Fritte. We have Guanto. We have Pupazzo. We have Regalo. The same in Cebuano. My language is Regalo, Cebuano. And we have Burger. And then we have Sotomarino. We have also Albiro here. We have Trattore. We have Ciambellina or Ciambella. Ciambellina means small donuts, or big one is Ciambella. Big donuts is Ciambella. We have Tamburino. We have Macchinina. I keep teaching this baby also to my baby. This is a Pianita. This is Pintola. This is banana. In Italiano, this is questo è banana, la banana. Questo è la banana. Sa Italiano na siya, guys, ha? So, this one is barca. This one is pane. Questo è il pane. Gelato. Yeah. This one, cosa questo? Pinguino. This is a pinguino. And this is casa. We have also a divano. Telescopio. We have razzo. We have ananas. I need to be very fast na, my baby wanted to play also this one. And we have chitarra. Questo è trompeta. We have Tierra, Tierra, Tierra. We have Gianda. Sa Cebuano pa ni guys is kasing. Kasing. Kanang mutuyok nga kasing. Gianda. And then we have Kani. So, butangan niyo mo siya gramatika guys is El Kani. Di ba? And then we have El Formaggio. Formaggio means Parmesan cheese. We have Vistito, El Vistito. We have Mila, apple. We have Chilipono, 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 or we have Fungi. Di ba? We have, cosa questo? Trino, Trino. We have Trino over here. We have Cavaloccio, gamay nga kabayo ba? Gamay nga kabayo. Cavaloccio, small horse. Then we have Cocodrilo. My baby said is Tutupino. So, cosa questo? Cosa questo? Oh, cosa questo? Dici. Then we have Calci. We have Calci. We have Helicotero. Here you go, Helicotero. See. We have Planetera. Planetera. We have Epani. We have Torta. We have Capillo. But that's it, guys. Finish. I'm finished to speak in Italiano this one. So this is Italiano, guys. So I keep playing this one with my baby. So this is a very useful for my baby because he can learn also Italiano and I can translate into English also. So yeah, that's it, my dear friends, and I hope you like this video. Bye bye and see you in my next episode vlog of LG Bibs. Ciao ciao. Bye bye.